Hello, Assalamu alaikum, bhai. How are you? Hope you are fine. In the previous video, I have said that the previous application I have opened and that I have tested the Firebase Test Lab and that activity is not performed well. So what I actually have to do is that the test lab is not going better. So is not going good performance. It's not well because in the activity in the project, in my Android Studio project, there is some several bugs and several errors. So now what I have to do, I will create uh, another package name, and first of all I will check either my application is running or not. So open the Android Studio and first of all debug and wait for the debug either is any issues or not. Okay, now my debugging has finished and there is no error in my logcat. If I also want to check my logcat, is there any other? No error. Okay, good. And it's successfully built, and now means that my this project is almost 100% is correct, is perfect. Not we said perfect, but we can say that there is no error. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to create another branch and we have to name it as we will open the app gradle, and here is the example. No, cancel it. My application src. Okay, here is a unit test. Okay, so these are some other testing instruments, but we have to create the example instrumented test or for the example. No, okay, for this one we will open this one, close all of the tabs. Okay, where is it? This one, close this one. Is example instrumented test. So maybe it's instrumented test in a drawing test. Yes, it's an instrumented test, and copy this package name, paste it here. Is it okay? Yes. Application name, test lab demo. What's our what is our name of project or application is file picture. Okay. Now sh just leave it. Just register. Now download this one JSON file, and I actually have to remove the previous JSON data. So in download section, my JSON data, where is my JSON data? This is my previous JSON data, and actually I want to delete this one. And now download another new one, and it will be downloaded here. And now what we have to do, we have to control X cut from here and paste it in the app. Google services, yes. No, 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 we do not want to ignore. We, we add it into the ticket ignore. Okay, just leave it. Now, what we have to do, go to the next. Okay, which one is Kotlin or Groovy? Maybe it's a Groovy. Okay, okay, let's see, it's a Kotlin or Groovy. Where is my griddle? This is my activity. This is the it's a Groovy. It's not a Kotlin. Okay, it's a setting.griddle file. And what we have to do, we have to copy this dependency plugin. We have to copy this plugin and we have to add this plugin. No, not from here. uh, yes, we have to copy this and we have to add it here. Maybe, I don't know, it's maybe working or not. And then this one is here, Fusion Google Services. Yes, this one. This plugin and project build.gradle. Build.gradle. Yes, okay. This is my project. Okay, now it's showing the error in this line. Uh, I don't know why, because if I open in root level, project level, the file project build.gradle. Okay, so if we open the gradle.setting, there is no other things are here, and there's only one id version 7 apply false. Add this the plugin as a dependency to your project level build.gradle file root level. I really do not understand that what is happening and what is done. From where I have to add this dependency. Okay, I also take the help from the ChatGPT and I tell him that how I actually have to. So in the Gradle file, if I open my Android Studio, when I have the sign in, there is saying that the plugin ID com.googlegm services was already requested at line 4. This one. So maybe it's a duplicate. So if I want comment out and then try again, either it for pick, it will be this line dependency on plugin or not. I have to wait a while. Okay, here is showing that it is successfully proper, properly integrated, and now maybe this one is not needed, and now for the dependency is actually the for the next. Okay, here is the continue to console. Okay, here I have openly added this project into the Android. Connect that connect the application to the uh, Firebase. Okay, so just go to the. Actually, I have to select this one, and if I have to select this, now go to the project overview or test lab. Just click test lab, and now what we have to do next, we have to do the new. Okay, I have deleted this one, and now I have to select the module, this one, and test class. Take this, take select the test class, and there is a change. They set my name. I will select OK. Now Firebase Test Lab device matrix. I will select sample spark configuration 4. I will create the new device which is named as maybe it's 2. Now add for another one custom device which I have named as Test Lab Firebase Test Lab Firebase Fire Fire Picture Custom Picture config configurations, or you can add whatever you want. Click the physical device. All devices? No, all devices, but also both all devices and visual devices. No, you are not saying this one. We actually have to select any of one device. Maybe it's a Vivo Galaxy A51. Okay, it's okay. A51 is good. A10 is also good. Platform is platform, which is another thing that if we select for virtual device, is there any virtual device? Is yes or not? Virtual device? No virtual device. It's only the physical device. Okay, now for platform, I will select uh, the Android 11. Not actually, I want to select Android 10. But is still using the 11 because our application is set as Android 11 and upper and higher. English and default or edition, both, not both, maybe it's just a portrait, or I will reconfirm that either it's a landscape or portrait. Okay, after research, I will just set as a portrait, not for the landscape. Okay, now press OK, and now here is okay. This properly defined. It is so testing. No, we have to reload. Loading cloud projects. Espresso testing lab practice. No, not this one. Okay, no matter. That is a new project. Maybe I will recheck that. So yes, I actually have created two application in one Firebase. Where now apply. I don't know either it's work or not. No. This is the test lab demo profile pic. Pick maybe the configurations. If I just move the cursor, okay, no, it's not showing. Just load this one and just wait for the results. Okay, now hello. What's going on here? Now for the test results are here. That maybe it's uploading app to the APK form to the Firebase and also the uploading test scripts. And APK file is uploading and submitting to the test to the Firebase Test Lab and validating the APKs. And now, if we just select that, it's a logcat, and here is showing that testing started at 1:55 p.m. It means that my 1 hour time has started, and using cloud storage bucket location test lab. I don't know what is this. Uploading APK, uploading test APK. It means that app is uploading. Actually, first the two things which I have discussed previously, that the test scripts and in uploading the APK. So the uploading actually uploading APK and uploading the test scripts. So the two things are the main thing. No, it's not a function that I am using this one. So the two things is actually uploading the test scripts and uploading the APK file. Now it's validating, and we are using the test script, test result, Samsung Galaxy A51 Samsung, and this A51 is maybe I have one, maybe I have A31 or A30. Same screen size, and it's not a big difference between A series, A10, A50, A54, A34, A30 series. Also, I will select the Android 11 because actually in A series less devices are com- coming in. Uh, Less devices are coming for supporting the for Android 11. Actually, is supporting more than Android 13 or Android 14. For the augmented reality, will have proper support. For the Android 12, the augmented reality applications will install in Android 12 or maybe in Android 13, starting from Android 13 for the augmented reality. So for the devices which are coming nowadays, which is most probably for Android 13. So 13 and 14. So I don't know why I'm selecting Android 11 because Android 11 is supportable for every Android device which have Android X, and it can be upgraded to Android because I have the mobile Infinix mobile, and which is building maybe Android 9. For Android 9 I have upgraded towards Android X, which means that Android 10, and after that I have upgraded to Android 11. Now for the further it has from the Android 11 We actually cannot want to upgrade. We cannot have access to upgrade from Android 11 to Android 12 because the main reason is if I ask for the chat GPT that can I upgrade the Infinix, can I upgrade the Infinix mobile and Infinix mobile Android X2 Android no Android 11 to Android 12 with using one device. Example Infinix or 10s. Let's see. And I can't access the real-time tests. Specific information, the ability to provide updates of specific device model. However, I can provide some general information updated to the device. New version is getting formula and to depend on several factors. Device manufacturer upgrade policy exactly. And the specific device model, yes. Device model and the device model is very matter, and the manufacturer device is actual the device also very matter because in Samsung mobile augmented is not supporting in the Android 10 or Android 11. Now I don't know it's finished or it's still violating validating. Submitting test to Firebase, yes, is submitting test cases to the Firebase Test Lab, and maybe from the lab the report will become, and we are just waiting. Maybe this sign is coming there. Test result validating. Okay, for now, after waiting a lot of time, I don't know what I have to do. It's actually automatically checked. We'll go to the 5 years and we'll click the test and it's present. It's a test. Started 15 minutes ago. I don't know what is this matrix. 3. Oh, yes. Open this one. What's this showing that instrumentation test? Skipped past 1000 field. Skipped one. Skipped. How this one is skipped because I really don't know what's happening here. Again, go to the test lab and this one run a test. Robo instrumentation. Selected APK, browse APK. Wait. Go to the test lab again. 5 picture instrumentation. Questions. 16 minutes ago. I just want to stop this one and just this run again.